Morning everyone, Paul from Aussie Water Savers. Just reporting to you from a project that we're just about to wrap up in a suburb nearby the water. The client had contacted us because they needed some rainwater tanks installed on their property. However, it looks like in this case that again we've gone above and beyond expectations and managed to develop a system where others weren't able to. So I'll just give you a brief look at what we've done. This pit was already on site and we've had to reconfigure an original design to fit in a desired capacity, and in this case we've got about 7,000 litres here installed on site. So what we've got, some round tanks and some slim tanks. This was a spot requested by the client to have the tanks installed, so I think they're pretty happy with it, and so are we.